Anthony wants me to sit on as many appointments as possible. And anytime you see an appointment on here, like Carolyn's on our team, here you go. She's got one today. Jonesboro, whatever this is, so you can do that. The more you sit in, the faster you're gonna get up to speed. Okay.
Okay.
So you know. All right. So that's what the appointments look like. They come to you. All you guys, we have in Florida and Georgia, just so you know. We got a bunch of stuff in Florida. I got Juanita doing it all because I told her, where's the agents? I need some agents that can get up to anybody from Florida on here? Or is everybody Georgia? Are you guys Georgia?
Well,
Georgia.
I'm Georgia licensed in Florida too.
Yeah, we can't do houses though. You hear? Well, you could if we teach you how to do it.
Yeah.
Right. All right. Side note, I want everybody to go to Workplace. Put this in your notes. Workplace.com. Okay. This is a side note. I want to make sure you do this. This is going to put money in your pocket. Whatever. We all, everybody's EXP logins the same, your name, dot, last name. So I want to make sure you guys go into Workplace. This is your homework. Oh God. Show you how to get paid. Big time. All right, so when you go into Workplace, make sure you get a part of this EXP referral network. Make sure your profile is set up in EXP Enterprise. So let me tell you why. Let's say you guys have let's say you're working with 10 buyers like Jill is, 15. And you're going out showing 2 buyers houses, but your other 10 people want to see houses the same day. You can go on this EXP, look at this. Here it is, perfect example. Look, need a showing agent for whatever city at 1 o'clock. You guys see this? And so what'll happen is you post, like, let's say I live in Lawrenceville. So let's say I got somebody in McDonough. Hey, I got a client in McDonough wants to see 6 houses. And so what you do is you pay the showing agent anywhere from $12 to $20 for every door they open. And if your client buys a house that they show them, you work out a commission with them. It could be $500. It could be 20% of your commission. It could be whatever you negotiate. The more showing agents you have, the more buyers you can work with. You guys understand that? I set Juanita up on this system, where Juanita's here in Atlanta now, right? But she closes deals in Toronto, Canada, and Jacksonville, Florida. And I'll give her most of our Jacksonville, Florida stuff. Why? Because she's good on the phone and good on Zoom, getting people to sign buyer brokerage agreement. And then she has showing agents in those areas that go out and show the properties for her, and she closes 5 to 10 deals a month, and she never leaves her Buckhead high rise in Atlanta. You guys follow me on that? That's how you can work with more buyers. Just because you are in the EXP as a solo real estate agent, if you get added to this EXP referral network, you can do the same exact thing, and this is what we do all across the U.S. Just so you guys know. So that's a side note, but you want to make sure you get that done. All right. So now that allows you now to work with more buyers. You can have 10 buyers out there right now looking at houses, and you could be sitting here in training. You guys understand that, right? Of course, never show houses on a Monday, though. That's a waste of time, right? Don't do that. Mondays, you got to have at least one day a week that you spend working on your business, not in your business on it. And it should be Mondays, right? Because why? Because